If you ever been under severe stress, these are 4 reasons it will impact your physical health. Number 1. Weakened immune system. Severe stress can weaken your immune system, making you more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. 2. Increased inflammation. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation in the body, which is linked to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. 3. Elevated blood pressure. Stress hormones like cortisol can cause your blood pressure to rise, increasing your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. 4. Disrupted sleep patterns. Stress can disrupt your sleep, leading to insomnia or poor quality sleep. Lack of sleep not only affects your mood and energy levels, but also increases your risk of developing chronic health conditions like obesity and diabetes. Drop me a fist emoji in the comment and let me know you got this shit. I will be dropping some valuable tips on how to get over this. Follow me and let's start this healthy journey.